Hello everyone, and welcome back to Simple Living Hub. Life after 50 can be calm, healthy, and enjoyable with a few simple habits. Small daily changes can improve your comfort, energy, and peace of mind at home. In today's video, we'll share 7 simple tips for a better life after 50. These ideas are practical, easy to follow, and helpful for everyday living. Let's get started. Tip 1. Keep your home organized. A clean and organized home can make daily life easier and less stressful. Clear spaces are also safer and more comfortable to move around in. Try to remove items you no longer use and keep important things easy to reach. Even a few minutes of organizing each day can make a big difference. Tip 2. Stay physically active. Regular movement helps support healthy joints, better balance, and more energy. You do not need intense exercise to stay active after 50. Simple activities like stretching, walking indoors, or light home workouts can help you feel stronger and healthier every day. Tip 3. Improve your daily routine. A simple routine can help reduce stress and create more balance during the day. Waking up, eating meals, and going to sleep at regular times can improve both mental and physical health. Try to include quiet moments for reading, relaxing, or enjoying a cup of tea in the morning. Tip 4. Make your home safer. Safety becomes more important as we get older. Small home improvements can help prevent accidents and make daily activities easier. Consider adding brighter lights, non-slip rugs, and grab bars in bathrooms or stair areas. Comfortable furniture with support is also helpful. Tip 5. Stay connected with others. Good relationships are important for emotional and mental well-being. Staying connected with family, friends, or community groups can help reduce loneliness and improve happiness. Simple phone calls, video chats, or small visits can make a positive difference in daily life. Tip 6. Eat simple and healthy meals. Healthy eating supports energy, heart health, and overall wellness after 50. Meals do not need to be complicated to be nutritious. Try to include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and enough water throughout the day. Simple homemade meals are often the best choice. Tip 7. Bring more nature into your home. Natural light, fresh air, and indoor plants can help create a calm and relaxing environment. Nature can improve mood and make a home feel more peaceful. Open the windows when possible and add a few small plants near living spaces or windows. Living well after 50 does not require big changes. Small daily habits can improve comfort, safety, health, and peace of mind over time. We hope these simple tips help you create a better and more enjoyable life at home. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us here at Simple Living Hub for more practical tips for simple and healthy living. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.